we are meeting first time, so can we start this session with introduction?
Yeah, of course. Yeah. You can introduce yourself first.
Okay. I'm Satya Yadav from Aurangabad, Bihar. I did graduation. Right now, I'm doing master in English. Uh, I'm also taking offline class in my district, and I'm fond of watching movies. And I like also to listen song. This is my short intro.
Hmm. Wow, that's great. Now, if you want, so I would like to introduce myself.
Oh, of course, I'm
Yeah.
Megat.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I am Anjana and I'm connecting to you from UP, District Farrukhabad. And
Mhm,
I am postgraduate. I'm mother of one kid. I'm
mhm,
part-time teacher also. And
mhm,
I run a YouTube channel
mhm.
where I upload some conversational videos. Yeah, because I want to enhance my communication skill. That's it.
Okay. So as you told, you are a teacher. Which subject do you teach, ma'am?
English. I teach English.
English. Oh,
I
you are
take
running
some
offline class.
offline classes. Hmm.
Okay. So, which background of students do you teach? I mean to say that they are belong to bachelor background, they are junior background.
I teach student 1 to ninth, and
One, two.
yeah, so I have to teach all subjects. But English is
Mm,
my main subject. I don't
mm,
focus much on maths because my husband is also a teacher, so we both run our own institute. So we
mm,
both there. Yeah.
yeah.
And what about you? Like you mentioned also that you are a teacher. So do you teach in a school or do you teach at your home?
No, I have my own coaching in my district, and I teach their math and English.
Yes, as you mentioned that you are doing masters in English, yeah?
Yeah, ma'am.
Hmm. And what about your spoken English? Like when did you start your spoken journey?
This journey I started much earlier when lockdown happened in all over the country. That time
Hmm.
I started my journey. That time I was preparing for also Air Force exam. So
Okay.
it was my necessity to learn English, improve English. So I
Hmm.
joined one of the spoken English institutes in Patna. But
Okay.
that, I think that was not improvement for me. But
Hmm.
when I started practicing with some of my friends, I
Yeah.
got a lot of improvement in me.
Yes, definitely it's true, because people always believe that if they join any particular spoken class or they take any tutor, so they will be fluent. But I always think that you will get knowledge through, coaching. You will get knowledge. But if you want to be fluent, so only your practice will work for you. Yeah. Like if you are practicing, so you will definitely learn this language. And if you depend on teacher only, like they guide you and 1 hour you are very serious for learning and all rest of the time you are not practicing, so you can never get fluency while speaking. Yeah. So it's really true. And nowadays it's very easy to learn anything because we have YouTube and all the things are available there. Only we need
Mhm.
practice. Only every learner should be aware of all these things, that practice can make them perfect, otherwise no one can make them perfect. Yeah.
Yeah, boss, I agree with you. Yeah, I observed in my life when I was doing a spoken English class, I was translating the sentence, and when I
Mm,
start talking with anyone, I face a lot of problems while making the sentence because
mm,
it took a lot of time. And
yeah.
who with whom I was talking, they were feeling boring like this because I took a lot of time to make the sentence. That's why.
Yeah. So what do you do nowadays? Like, do you practice on Skype or you have some um friends, like face to face you talk, or you talk only on online?
No, except this application, I am using also two application as like Episodon and Real Life English.
Mm-hmm.
Um, there we can also do face to face practice conversation in English. from different country people. So
Hmm.
sometimes whenever I got time, I also use that application.
Hmm. And do you have your YouTube channel?
Yeah, I have recently started YouTube channel Satya Yadav English, but I have not uploaded much of the videos.
Mm-hmm. No issue. And I think, uploading video is a good kind of thing because we have all memories and we can check ourselves like how was I in earlier and how am I now. Yeah. We can check
Mm,
ourselves and we can check our mistakes, and this is how we can get good results also. Yeah.
but
Okay. And do you teach academic or do you provide spoken classes to your students?
yeah, mostly I teach competitive students
Okay.
who are preparing for any government exam and
Okay.
grammar portion. And I took some of the also a spoken class.
So this is how you are also improving, and you
Mm,
can improve a lot, because sharing knowledge is not wasting
mm,
time. It's always like we have benefit. If you share knowledge day by
yeah.
day, you will improve definitely. Yeah.
Now I have observed that many of Indians are comfortable in English grammar, but when they start talking, they are not comfortable. Most of the teachers also they are comfortable in English grammar teaching, but English speaking are tough for them.
Yes, definitely. Because these two parts are different, but we never analyzes it. It
Mm,
happened with me also. Like, I used to think that I know English because I completed my post graduation in English literature. Yeah. So somewhere my English was not bad. I was good at teaching, and I was good at reading and writing, but I was not good
mm,
at speaking because I never focused on my speaking. And I think
mm,
that writing, reading and speaking, these are different skills, but we
yeah.
never focus. We always think that if you know writing and reading, so you can definitely speak. But no, it's totally wrong. If you know grammar, you can't say that you can speak until you learn speaking. Yeah. So it's
Yeah.
really important to understand that writing is different part. If you really want to be fluent, just get into the habit
Mm,
of speaking English daily. Otherwise, you can never speak. So it happened with me also. Like, in 2023, when I focused on myself that I know grammar, so why I'm unable to speak English? So just
mm,
I started, speaking on myself. I never took any spoken classes. I never joined any spoken classes. I never learned English because I knew all the grammar parts. I was
mm,
not into speaking. That's why I was unable to speak. And when once I started speaking, now I can speak. So, yes, I want to tell all the viewers, like, if you think that one day, if you are writing all the things, if you are learning English daily, daily, and you are not speaking, so you can never speak. So, I think that you should start speaking just from one day. Yeah. So it's really work for me. And whenever I teach my students, I always tell them that um don't wait for the time. Like, most of the time people say
mm,
that when I will complete all the English rules, after that I will start my speaking journey. No, it's not like that. You can start your journey from one day, right? Yeah. So this is how
yeah. Of course.
everybody can learn English easily.
Mhm. Now, everyone thinks that when I will be comfortable in grammar, when I will be I improve my vocabulary, word power, then I
Yeah.
will start speaking.
Yes, yes, yes. But it's not like
But this
that. If you know
process
little
never
bit,
ends.
just use in your conversation. Yeah. Whatever you know, no matter. If you know broken sentences, just start speaking. Because, if you
Yeah.
listen daily English and if you speak English daily, so definitely you will be fluent. Yeah.